everyone, and welcome to Homeidea channel. Today, we're taking a virtual journey to the stunning countryside of São Paulo, Brazil. Here, nestled amidst rolling hills, lies a remarkable home, Residence F3. This architectural gem is a perfect blend of modern design and functional living. Residence F3 is more than just a dwelling. It's a harmonious integration of architecture and landscape. The architects carefully considered the site's topography, creating a home that respects the natural contours of the land. The result is a stunning residence that seems to emerge from the hillside. The house is organized into distinct levels, with the social areas located on the lower level and the private bedrooms on the upper floor. This configuration allows for a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor living. The use of large glass windows and sliding doors creates a strong connection with the surrounding landscape. The outdoor spaces at Residence F3 are as impressive as the interiors. The expansive pool area, complete with a spa and sun deck, invites residents to spend time relaxing and enjoying the fresh air. The garden, meticulously landscaped, provides a tranquil setting for outdoor dining and entertaining. The interior design of Residence F3 reflects a contemporary aesthetic, with a focus on clean lines and natural materials. The use of towery wood, Itana's granite, and Melito stone creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. The open-plan layout of the social areas promotes a sense of spaciousness and connectivity. Sustainability is a key aspect of Residence F3. The use of energy-efficient materials and design features, such as the steel frame construction and large windows for natural light, contribute to a reduced environmental impact. The house is designed to maximize comfort and minimize energy consumption. Residence F3 is a true masterpiece of contemporary architecture. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of city life and immerse yourself in the beauty of the countryside. The architects have created a home that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, offering its inhabitants an exceptional living experience. Residence F3 is a harmonious blend of luxury and nature. It's a place where you can connect with the outdoors and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. What do you think of this remarkable home? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring architectural explorations.